Hi guys, it's your favorite chef Ella. Today I'll be making party fried rice and banga soup. So I'll be taking you guys on a journey to the village life because I'm going to be using firewood. Yes, firewood. So guys, this is me trying to set up the fire. I'm actually using some piece of food, to help the fire. So now that our has picked up, so I'll start by boiling some water that will use to parboil. I'm not really going to parboil this right for long, just to remove little of the starch. So this is me trying to break this big wood. If I should put it that way inside the fire, it might be make my pot fall down. So the water has boiled. I'm pouring the rice now to parboil for like 2 minutes because I don't want it to stay long. So I just placed my frying pan on fire. I will be adding some oil to it. Then I'm adding onions. I'll go ahead to add my meat. While the meat is frying, I'll go ahead and wash our rice. So please, if you're still watching till this moment, just like the video now, click on the like button. Also subscribe if you're new to this channel. I promise you I'll be bringing back to back recipes, and if you enjoy this mini vlog, I'll call it mini vlog, let me know so that I can be doing things like this for you guys. In the pot I already have my chicken stock. Remember, it's fried rice I'm making, so I'll go ahead and add little more water, allow it to boil. I'm adding the marinade. Here we have, this plate contains green bell pepper, green scotch bonnet, and spring onion, all blended together. This is to bring out that green color of the fried rice. Sorry guys, I didn't show you when I added the rice, but then I added the rice and the rice is doing well, as you can see. So I'm adding the green peas now. So I'll go ahead and cover and allow to cook properly. So the rice is done. It's time to stir fry our veggies. I just went in with some chopped ginger and garlic. So I will stir fry for some seconds or a minute to allow them release all of those sweet flavor. I'm going in with some salt to taste, then some onions. The carrot just went in, so I stir fry for a minute. Pouring in the green beans now. Just added our bell peppers. We have the red, yellow, and the green bell peppers together. Like, if you are a good cook, you know that this combination is mad. Bouillon cubes and seasoning. Of course, you know that Nigerian party fried rice is not complete without curry. Even though I've used curry earlier when I was cooking the meat, I'm adding more, to bring out that beautiful color. The sweet corn just went in. So I just added the rice, fried rice. If you don't want it to go bad, you just have to fry, and that is what I'm doing now. I was supposed to bring out some veggies before, stir frying the rice together with the veggies and all that. I actually was thinking that I will fry this thing, in one batch, but as I was, doing it, the sense I have was telling me, no, this thing will not go, it will not be nice that everything enters it. So I had to divide the rice. Even after I've mixed, so I had to bring out some, and then I did it like in 2 batches. Now I added the spring onion so that it will be fresh. So guys, our fried rice is ready like this. So I'll go ahead and add them, as in put them inside this cooler. till the time they will be needed. Oh my god. This rice is so delicious. I didn't show you guys when I was testing, but trust me now, I must test the food I made. Yes. And I'm telling you, it was so delicious. Just look at now. Look at the face of this rice, eh? So I just added the second batch. Like I told, like as you can see, it's already mixed because I did some mathematics there in the first one. So I'm just trying to mix up everything, add the remaining ones in the pot. So I'm frying. This is our spring onion, just like you saw in the first batch. So whenever you see the spring onion, know that's otito ogushana. Cooking don't end. Please guys, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe if you're new here. Please watch out for the part 2 of this video where I made the party banga soup. Please share the video, drop your comment for me and subscribe. I love you. Bye.